LDR is not easy at talagang masasabi ko kasi nararanasan ko yun ngayon. And a lot of you here are asking me kung nakapag-file na nga ba kami ng K1 visa. Opo, noong April pa, and we did DIY in processing our K1 visa. And also we got our NOAA 1 pa. And now, we are waiting kung tama nga ba talaga yung pinasa namin ng mga documents or papers sa kanila. And now, if you are not sure, not knowledgeable, and if you don't have time in processing your visas going to the US, then the visa service that I would highly recommend to all of you is Filipino Visa because they are more knowledgeable and expert in processing visas going to the US. Diba, hindi ka na mai-stress, mapapabilis at sure ka pa na tama talaga yung mga documents at papers na pinasa mo. So for more information about Filipino Visa, you can see the link on my bio.